If your Android phone has slowed down and you want to know how does the RAM is being used on your phone, here is a way to check it out and watch it till the end, and I'll tell you some nice RAM features which will enhance your Android experience. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your settings. The next steps may vary on your phone's model because I'm using Samsung. So on Samsung's, we're to locate our device care and locate our memory tab. Here in our memory tab, we'll locate our RAM. We'll see the list of RAM available, of used RAM, reserve RAM, and you can press clean out and it will close all the active processes, right? On your Xiaomi's or other phones, this process may be a bit different. However, I'll show you the universal method, how to find it in the end. So some phones, such as Xiaomi's and Samsung's, they have RAM Plus option, which is an built-in additive RAM, and it's a very useful option, and I recommend you to use it. So, how do you find your RAM if you're using any other phone model? Open up your settings, tap on the magnifying glass, and let's search for our memory tab. Memory, there we are. So the RAM is going to be in the RAM tab or memory tab. And basically that's it. Here is a useful tip. Do not forget to close your active apps, to clean your apps cache and delete all the apps which you are not using. Because they are all make your phone's life harder, and less memory you're using, the easier and faster your phone is working. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.